We begin our work at 9 a.m. We began our work yesterday. He breaks all toys sometimes. He broke a toy yesterday. We buy bread every morning. We bought bread yesterday. They bring lunch every day. They brought lunch yesterday. She comes home every evening. She came home late last night. He drinks juice in the morning. He drank juice yesterday morning. I drive to work every day. I drove to work yesterday. I eat fruit every morning. I ate fruit yesterday. She falls down sometimes. She fell down yesterday. We feel happy today. We felt happy yesterday. He finds the place on the map. He found the place using Google Maps. She forgets her bag sometimes. She forgot her bag yesterday. He goes to the gym every week. He went to the gym last week. He get up at 6 a.m. He got up late yesterday. You give money every week. You gave money last month. They grow rice in their field. They grew rice last year. She keeps her phone in her bag. She kept her phone in her bag yesterday. She leaves home early. She left home early yesterday. I lost my phone sometimes. I lost my phone yesterday. I make my bed every morning. I made my bed yesterday morning. We meet our teacher after class. We met our teacher yesterday. I pay the rent every month. I paid the rent yesterday. He reads a book every night. He read a book last month. He rides his bike every evening. He rode his bike yesterday. We run in the park every morning. We ran in the park yesterday. He sells fruits at the market. He sold fruits yesterday. I send emails every day. I sent an email yesterday. I shake the bottle before drinking. I shook the bottle yesterday. I sing songs at home. I sang songs yesterday. She sits next to me in class. She sat next to me yesterday. I sleep early for 8 hours. I slept early yesterday. He spends time with his family. He spent time with his family yesterday. We stand in a line. We stood in a line yesterday. He swims in the pool. He swam yesterday. She takes photos with her camera. She took many photos yesterday. I tell a story every night. I told a story last night. I think about the problem. I thought about it yesterday. I wear a jacket in cold weather. I wore a jacket yesterday. He wins many games. He won the game yesterday. They write notes in class. They wrote notes yesterday.